If I could have advice on my creative endeavors, career pursuit.
Well, you can be or do or have anything. What do you want?
Lots of things. My main career goal is with acting and to be the lead in a TV series, which I see for myself.
You've been following us as we've been talking here in these days that we've been together. Do you think that this is something that you just started to want, or something that has been in the works for a while?
Been in the works.
Does it feel logical to you that it's well underway?
Yeah, definitely.
So when you take score, what's your feeling?
I think just in general, any advice or thing that I could carry with me.
Just keep feeling sure.
Yeah.
Just don't deviate from that certainty. And it must be. Don't let anybody talk you out of it. Don't let anybody explain to you that it's hard, because it isn't. It isn't hard for those that it isn't hard for, and for those that it is difficult for, it usually never happens. But it won't be like that for you.